Hello, everybody. This is Juan Saldarriaga from All Solar Cleaning Services of Orlando. We are here in Sanford, Florida. We have a special guest, and they are very kind, and they're going to give you an, a review of what the experience was with All Solar Cleaning Services. We got Miss Annette and Mr. Alex. Please
Wow.
let people know how experience was with All Solar Cleaning Services.
Thank you for the opportunity. The work that was done is impeccable. Hands down, I would recommend them. Our solar panels had not been serviced, and we were really scared to bring someone in knowing that, we're liable for any damage that can take place on our panels. So we spent some time. They answered all of our questions because Mr. had lots of questions.
By the way, Mr. Alex was the one who was in touch with me
Yes.
the whole time. He asked me like 20,000 questions, and I answered every single one. By the way, I want to thank you, sir, for your service
Thank
to
you.
the
Thank
United
you.
States. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
But Mr. Alex, you were good too.
Great experience. Yeah, great experience. Great service. I really appreciate you guys coming out in such a short notice. And I'm amazed actually with the way that they came out. So anybody out there that needs their services, they're a great team and they're very reliable. So don't hesitate to contact them.
Very
Thank
much
you,
so.
Miss Annette.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Alex.
Thank you.
Folks, you hear from them. If you want, you have your solar panels clean and production coming back to you. Call us at 407-663-3148. Juan Saldarriaga.